Okay folks, I want to show you the dial indicator holder I made for my lathe here. Let's bring it over here where we can set it down and get a good look at it. This was made out of a piece of 3/4 inch aluminum plate. Carved it out on that milling machine right over there. Here's how this thing works. Slide it right onto the tool post here. You slide it on, goes all the way to the bottom. That sets the indicator at center line of your chuck center line, so there's no need for any kind of height adjustment on it. Now you can dial in the diameter of your part. If you want to dial in the face of your part, lift it off. Turn it over, slide it on this side of the tool post again, bottom it out, you're in the center line, and you reach over, just flip the dial over. If you notice right here, there's a plastic bushing in there that allows us to grip it plenty tight, yet still be able to swivel it, and it won't move when you're trying to dial anything in. Once again, lift it off, flip it over, put it on there. You're ready to dial in the diameter. That's about it.